Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to dynamically change the measure when using the drill up and drill down visual function in Power BI. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So on the screen, you can see a one column chart showing region wise total sales. For example, North America 68.38 millions, and in the table you can also see 68.38 millions, and so on. Now, my requirement is I want to see the profit for particular region by country. So, if you can see North America, within North America there is two country, Canada and United States. So, using a same column chart, I want to see the profit for North America by country. So, let me show you the demo. So, let me click here and I will click on North America bar. So you can see United States 22.58 millions, and in the table you can see 22.58 millions. For Canada 5.99 millions. You can see profit 5.99 million. So now let me go back, and if I will go down, I will see profit for all the country across all the region. For let's check the Canada. So 5.99 millions. So where is Canada? You can see 5.99 millions. So now let me go to the demo page and show you how we can achieve this. So here I will add a one column chart, and on first level from my data table I will add a region on x-axis, and the second level I will add country. Okay. Now I will write a one measure. So let me add a one measure. I will right click here and I will say new measure. And my measure name is, sorry. So let me add a new measure. And my measure name is sales and profit. Profit. So now what I am going to do, I will use a if. If has one value, and my column name is sales, table name is sales data, and the column name is country, comma, I will go to the next line and I will say sum of table name profit. Now I will go to next line and I will say sum of sales data and sales amount, bracket close. Now let me explain you. So has one value return true when the country is selected. One country is selected. So in that case, one country is selected, it will give me a sum of profit, else it will give me sales amount. Okay, sum of sales amount. Now let me hit the enter button and let me press escape. And on y-axis, I will add my newly created measure. Okay. Now let me sort this on sales and profit, and let me go one level up. So descending. So now let me enable a data level as well. X-axis I will increase font size. Okay, and the data level I will enable a data level and I will in value, I will increase the value and my decimal places too. Okay. So as you can see, the first level, region wise, total sales 68.38 millions, and you can see North America 68.38 millions, and for Europe you can see 11.01 million. This is the, it is showing the total sales. Now I want to see the profit of North America by country. So let me click here and I will click on North America. So you can see United States and Canada, two country, and you can see the profit. So for Canada, 5.99 millions, and for United States, 2.58 millions. Now let me go back and I will let me click on the Europe. So under Europe, three countries, France, Germany, and United Kingdom. For France, you can see 2.38 millions, and so on. And now let me go back and disable this. And if I will drill down, so now it is showing the country wise profit across all the region. So let us check. So for Australia, 0.30 millions. So you can see Australia 0.30 millions. And if you will go up, it will show total sales by region. That's all for this video. And I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.